Hi, I'm Niki Jabbour, and tomatoes are among the most popular vegetables grown in home gardens, but they're also perfect for pots. Today I'm going to share 5 tips for growing tomatoes in containers. Tip 1. There are 2 types of tomatoes, determinate, also called bush, and indeterminate, or vining tomatoes. Determinate tomatoes are ideal for growing in containers, as most grow shorter than 4 feet. Indeterminate varieties can also be grown in pots, but many varieties grow 6 to 7 feet tall and will need strong supports. So the first tip is to match the pot to the plant. Galahad, for example, is a vigorous beefsteak variety that grows about 4 feet tall, and I'm growing it in a 15-gallon smart pot. Tip 2. Tomatoes need a well-draining soil, but also one that's fertile and amended with organic matter. When growing tomatoes in pots, I use a 50-50 blend of a high-quality potting mix and compost. I also add a slow-release organic vegetable fertilizer to the growing medium to promote healthy growth. Tip 3. When you're ready to transplant your tomato seedlings, plant them deeply and water well. And now we need to talk about where to place your container. The best site for tomatoes is one that provides at least 8 to 10 hours of direct light every day, so look for a spot with full sun. Tip 4. I mentioned supporting tomatoes a minute ago, and most types of tomatoes grown in gardens or pots benefit from vertical supports. It promotes good airflow and light exposure and can reduce disease. You can use stakes, trellises, heavy-duty tomato cages, or even twine hung from supports. Tip 5, and the final point you need to know to grow tomatoes successfully in pots, is how to water. Container plants dry out quicker than those in a garden bed, and tomatoes that are water stressed are prone to a condition called blossom end rot. The key to preventing blossom end rot is consistent watering. Never let your tomato plants dry out to the point of wilting.